A car crash and a double murder. How is it all connected? Well, the St. Catherine police are investigating the gruesome killing of a man and his wife in Watson Grove in the parish. As Kalisha Williams reports, the victim's son is the main suspect.
Watson Grove, Portmore, St. Catherine. It's a morning marred by violence, a crime scene so grim that residents had to first seek divine intervention.
It's dangerous this morning. Everybody wake up in the community. So sad.
It all started when the police received a call about a car crash at the Phoenix Park community about 4 o'clock Friday morning.
When they went to that location, the security team there accosted a man, a youngster, who basically gave the police some information, that he had done something bad.
Then, in a strange turn of events, the police were led to the other side of Portmore in the Watson Grove community.
Where they found the bodies of Cecil and Phyllis Ramsey, a married couple. Both were found deceased with stab wounds.
Now, the man who the police found at Phoenix Park is said to be the son of the victims. He's now the main suspect in the crime.
The young man that they said did this is a very good friend of mine who always comes by me to talk about things that he's always doing, things like social work for his school and things like that. He's a nice guy, so this is just a shock to me.
I know him father pastor and his mother vice principal, so a good citizen them brother.
So what could have caused the incident?
It is said that he has been showing signs of depression of recent times. And of such, we believe that he snapped and caused harm, resulting in death to his parents.
Residents told TVJ News that the suspect has been showing signs of mental illness but didn't seem to be a threat to anyone. It's why head of the St. Catherine South Police, SSP Christopher Phillips, is appealing to residents to report changes in the behavior of their relatives to the police.
We need to start look seriously on it. Look on the kind of interventions, the public education that we can have in communities and mental health issues. Worse, more for the pandemic. It is even worse now in the pandemic, where a man is locked up, a man have financial issues, all kind of challenges and don't know how to treat with it. You start suffer from depression and then one thing leads to another.
I would like us to have one common idea and perspective, and that is an idea of love, respect, and sympathy. That is what is called for now.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.